In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect and configure our LPPS 36B series linear potentiometer sensor with a PMD1XT series digital gauge. We will begin by connecting the linear potentiometer's lead wires to the gauge. The PMD1XT digital gauge has a built-in 5-volt DC excitation supply on terminals 10 and 6. Excitation positive, which is the brown wire, connects to screw terminal number 10. Excitation negative, which is the blue wire, connects to screw terminal number 6. The potentiometer's signal output, which is the yellow wire, connects to screw terminal number 9. Next, set your power supply to the required input voltage for your gauge. In this example, it is 24 volts DC. Now that the power supply is set to the correct voltage, power it down until after it is wired to the gauge. Then connect the positive wire from the power supply to screw terminal 1 and the negative wire to screw terminal 2. We are now ready to apply power to the gauge and begin the programming process. The first step is to calculate the scale factor, which is the full stroke of the linear potentiometer in engineering units. To calculate this, we need to determine the full stroke length of the potentiometer and the gauge's excitation voltage. In this instance, the full stroke length of the potentiometer is 10 inches. The excitation voltage is obtained by measuring the voltage across terminals 6 and 10. Using a multimeter, touch the positive probe to terminal 10 and the negative probe to terminal 6. In this instance, the excitation voltage is 4.995 volts. To calculate the scale factor, the equation is the full stroke length of the potentiometer, which is 10 inches, divided by the excitation voltage, which is 4.995 volts, times 5, equals 10.01. Write this number down for later use. Now, we need to program the input type, decimal point, and scale factor. Begin by pressing the set key once. Input code 0089 using the up and right arrow keys. Press the set key again to enter the programming mode. Now, INTY is on your screen. Here we can change the input type. Press the set key once. Press the up arrow key to choose 5U, which stands for 5 volts input. Press the set key once. Press the up arrow key one time until dot is in the display. Press the set key once. Use the up arrow key to determine decimal point position. For this example, we are using 2 decimal places. Press the set key once. Press the up arrow once until PUL is in the display window. PUL is the displayed value in engineering units at 0 volts when the linear potentiometer is fully retracted. Press the set key once. Using the up and right arrow keys, input any 0 value. For this example, we will enter all zeros. Press the set key once. Press up until PUH is in the display window. PUH is the displayed value in engineering units at 5 volts when the linear potentiometer is fully extended. Press the set key once. We will now input 4.002, which is the scale factor number we calculated earlier. Press the set key once. Press the up arrow key 5 times until end is in the display window. Press the set key once to exit the programming mode. The PMD1XT now displays the potentiometer's position from 0 to 10 inches. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications. For additional pricing and technical questions, contact us now to speak to an experienced application engineer. Here at Schaevitz Industries, performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.